Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what I've got here? I have the Potomac Beads treasure box for January of 2024. So happy New Year everybody. And I did peek and it's so exciting. You know how I love my beads. So yeah, they got a really cool theme this month. So if you're not familiar with Potomac Beads, it's this is their best bead box. It's a treasure box, formerly the regular box. And they give, if you aren't following Potomac Beads on YouTube, you should, because Allie's been putting out so many videos of beautiful jewelry that she makes using all of their beads and findings and everything. So, and this is priced monthly. This box is $39.99. If you price it quarterly, it's $34.99, so you save $60 a year. And if you price it annually, it's $29.99, and you save $120 a year. So that's your best bet. But even if you just price it monthly at $39.99, I still think it's a great deal. So I will leave a link below to their website if you want to go check it out. So here we have the Roaring 20s. And look at these. How cool are these? Oh my God. These are so cool. Like, my imagination is just going wild thinking of all the things that I could do with this. I feel like I'm going to Vegas with those. So the Roaring 20s. It says, embark on a journey back in time to the lavishness and sophistication of the 1920s with our exquisite Roaring 2020s treasure box. Immerse yourself in an era of classic black and white aesthetics and a subtle yet unmistakable touch of glitz and glamour. Open a box that transcends time, brings the elegance and indulgence of the jazz age, prohibition, and flappers to your present day doorstep. So, look at these. These are just off the charts. I was like, oh my gosh, look at these. I mean, so much fun. Okay, let me get everything set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting with the storage jar, which I know everybody knows what this is basically, but these are really nice to have because you can put all your little beads in them and organize. And if you're one of those people who loves to organize, this is definitely a great storage jar for this. Now, the second, I got this cool dish for these because these is the Checkl mix, and this looks, look at this. Ooh. Oh, I don't want to miss one of them. Look at all of these gorgeous, funky beads. I love when they send us these. So this is like a little, the holes right there. But they've got these little, I call these disco balls. They've got different shapes. Fire polish ones and the round ones. Pretty those are. And then these. Here's another one. So we have 4 of these. We can do the earrings with those. So pretty. Then they have this cool bead here that the hole goes in the top. I've got these cool 2-hole beads that are at an angle. And then we've got, let me get my little, where's it at? Where's I can't find it when I need it. Okay, can't find it. But yeah, and then we have the dagger beads. And these little ones right here. Just so many little disc beads, little flower caps. So many different kinds. And the little square ones. These are so much fun because you could do, I mean, you could literally take this and do like a fun, you know, eclectic lariat or something with all these different beads. In fact, maybe that's what I'll do with these. I'll have to see because I have some other ideas already. So look at how gorgeous these are. I'm going to put these to the side because those are just too pretty. Okay, and next are the Czech faceted rounds. I'm pretty sure this is what they are because the other ones, yeah, because these are faceted, so it's so pretty. You get a mixture of clear and black. And next, how fun are these? Czech ladybug beads, 13 millimeters. Look at these. Let me get, hold on 1 second. I want to get a, here they are. Let me get an eye pin. Oh, I'm falling all over. The bag was open. Just so I can kind of put them on and show you. Sorry about that. Okay. So we have these. Look how cute these are. Huh. I love them. You're so cute. So adorable. This would be fun to make little ladybug earrings for spring. And next are the Czech carrier beads. These are so much fun. I use these a lot of times, like if I make like a long lariat necklace and I have it coming down, I'll use this in the front to connect both of the strands and then have them hanging. So this is a fun little bead. There's a lot you can do with these. They got 2 holes in them. And next is the Czech flat organic discs. Oh, these are pretty. They kind of, see if I can get both of them on here. Yeah, that's how they are. So pretty. Got a really cool pattern. I don't know if it, I think, okay, it looks like it is picking it up. It's almost like a marble look to it. It's very pretty though. And next are the pie duo beads, which these are fun to work with. Oh, and I love this. I love the metallic look of them. So see, these have 2 holes. So that's one of the holes. The other one runs right next to it. There's a lot you can do with these beads. I have those. And next are the Miyuki seed beads, 11.0. I'm not going to take these out, but they're very sparkly. So pretty. They're in silver lined light silver. Very pretty. And next is the, let me see, where did I put it? I tried to line every, oh, here it is. Next is the hook and eye clasp. I don't know what this is. It's gunmetal. It's nice. And next are the crystal, Potomac crystal brulettes, metallic sky 6x12 millimeters. Look at how pretty these are. Look at all the sparkle. Let me put a few on a eye pin, a head pin, so you can see them. Here we have 3 of them. So pretty. Okay. And next are the angel wings. We had these in clear last month. They were really pretty. And now these have, they're like clear on one side and silver on the other. And the hole goes down the middle. These are so much fun to work with. So we have these. And next we have Czech rounds, 8 millimeter. These have that metallic AB finish on them. Oh, it's really pretty. It's a nice long strand too. And you could put this around and make a bracelet and then some. So very pretty. These are gorgeous. Crystal faceted Flatrondells. These are so pretty. You can see the hole goes right down the middle. These are going to be fun to work with. For sure. So we love them. And then these are so much fun. Playing card charms. Check these out. Now the, let me a second, oh. Okay, putting it through a couple of the beads, just to kind of show you. That's how the hole is. But how fun are these? Look at these. Huh. My dad loves to play cards, so I'm going to show him these. He's here still. I'm going to show him these. He'll love them. And next, I think that's what these are. Czech Dro Beads. I think that's the one these are. How fun are these? Got a shine, and they've got the little dots on them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You get 11 of them. You can make something really fun. And next are the Czech Gumdrop beads. And these are fun to work with. And the hole is on the bottom. So they kind of hang upside down like that. They do look like gumdrops. Or shall I say filling removers. They keep the dentists in business eating gumdrops. Yeah, so these are cool. They have that translucent, milky look to them. And next, these are really cool. Checkl triangle pendants, 19 millimeters. Look at these. I don't remember ever seeing these before. These are really cool. And they have, the hole is up here. 1, 2, so the hole's up here like this. It's fun. Each one's just a little bit different. Some are more crackled than others. You know, if you look at them. Oh, that one's broken. Oh. Put that one aside. Yeah, very pretty though. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay. And next, the Druzy Agate Gemstone rounds. 6 millimeters. Let me have a drink of water. These are so pretty. The Druzy Agate beads are so pretty. We got these. So pretty. I love the coating on the Druzy beads. How, like, there'll be like a little indent, and you see how, like, sparkly that is right there. Okay. And next are the Gemstone Pebble beads, which are labradorite. Pebble beads, 6 to 8 millimeter. They come on a little strand. Labradorite's so pretty. They have like a milky gray undertone to them with little, like this one's got a little black speckles. That one's a little more, not as translucent, it's a little more opaque. But yeah, so pretty. And next are the pad posts for earrings, 6 millimeter stainless steel. These are really nice. And stainless steel is really good because a lot of people have nickel allergies and allergies to jewelry and everything, so that's really nice with their stainless steel. And last but not least, dragon thread. Crystal dragon thread, dragon thread, 20 meters, size 6. It's pretty explanatory. So that was my unboxing for Potomac Beads, the Roaring 20s for January of 2024. I can't believe it's 2024 already. I can't wait to start working with these beads. So many beauties in here. So I will leave a link below to the Potomac Beads. And also, hold on 1 second. Sorry, I'm looking for something I wanted to tell you, but I guess not. Okay. Yes. So anyway, so yes, I was thinking of something else. So yes, if you don't follow my channel, I would suggest you do so. I'd really appreciate it. And I have links below to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Pinterest, as well as the Potomac Beads. And let me know down in the comments if you get this box, and if you do, what you thought of this month's box. I think it's really pretty. I can't wait to do some tutorials with it. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.